She also knows.
Namaste, Subhat, good morning, Salamat
One,
Pagi.
two, three,
I'm
five.
Sophie Paul, dance teacher at Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Pali.
You say.
Today we are at Swami Vivekananda Cultural Center, Pali, and we are celebrating International Yoga Day. That is on 21st of June. Today is the 5th day of the celebration. So we are going to start immediately within 2 minutes. I hope you all will enjoy and will be benefited by the yoga session. Thank you. Watching.
किस तारीख को यहाँ पे लगता है? किस तारीख को? ये शेड्यूल रखना पड़ता है। सेट हो जाएगा। 10 मिनट बाहर से आगे। 10 मिनट। आपका ही वेट कर रहे थे। चालू है सर।
Okay, sir, please. After ready, like it again. 5 seconds. 5 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Namaskar. Om Swastiastu. In continuation of our yesterday's session, Yoga for Stress. Today we begin Yoga for the health workers. You know, at present the whole world is facing the epidemic of coronavirus, and everybody is in stress, everybody is worried. Of course, as I told you yesterday, stress is a compulsory. It's a matter of fact. It is a position of your mind. You can't do it, but you have to fight with the stress. But as far as health workers are concerned, we call them health soldiers. They are more stressed. They have triple stress for the society, stress for themselves, and stress for the patients. So they have to save the society, they have to save themselves, and they have to save patients. The problem starts when the patients don't cope with. They take a lot of stress, they do a lot of work, wear a very stressful dress to cure the patients, but patients don't cope. Oh, and for that, it's very important for them to be mind, to be active, and for that we have our yoga group. Sanjay Kumar Chaudhary has made a program for the health workers, for the soldiers, and I definitely believe they must be watching this and they will be benefited by this. So, Om Shanti.
Namaste. I welcome all of you. I welcome CG Shivrakash, Director, GCC Manohar Puri ji. All of you who joined through Zoom Live, YouTube Live, Facebook Live, Instagram Live, Twitter Live. I welcome all of you. Today we are on the 5th day of this International Day of Yoga. We are celebrating here from Bali. Today's theme is Yoga for Health Workers and Advanced Postures. So today's session we dedicate to our health workers. As directors have said, our doctors, our nurses, policemen, cleaning staff, many people are working so hard these days fight against this pandemic. So today's session we wholly dedicate to them only. Let's start our practice. Today's practice. We have a lot of asana. You are going to have some dynamic postures. Are you ready for that? Are you ready? Yeah. Awesome. So let's start. Stand up on your mat. Stand up on your mat. Keep your feet around 6 inches apart. Keep your both the hands on your waist. We'll start with breath awareness. Fix your eyes around 4 feet from your toes and start breathing forcefully. Okay. This increases oxygen level in the body. And next, we'll go for the simple yogic exercise for important joint in the body. We'll have trunk joint movement, waist joint movement. Get ready, breathe out, take a breath and go. Take your hands up, back, little back. Slowly breathe out and go forward. Go forward. Keep your hands on the ground. Forehead touching to the knee. Breathe in, come up, breathe in. Go back, breathe out, down. One more time, breathe in, breathe out. Okay, come back slowly, and relax. After that, we'll go Sukshma Vyayama. We'll go for Sukshma Vyayama for knee joint. Again, keep your hands on your waist. Raise your right feet and just kick. Just kick. Sukshma Vyayama, simple yogic exercise for knee joint. Okay. Left feet. Raise your left feet and start kicking. Fully. Only this. Okay. All right. We'll go for next practice. Sarvanga posture. Sthula Vyayama. Sarvanga posture. Spread your feet. Spread your feet. Left hand fist off. Hold your left wrist by right hand. Left wrist by right hand. Breathe in. Go back. Go back. Turn your body to the left side. Breathe out and go down. Go down. Keep your hands on the ankle joint, forehead on the knee joint. Change your hand. Right fist off. Hold by left hand. Right wrist by left hand. Inhale and come back. Go back. Twist your body right side. Go down to the right side. Sarvanga Pushti. Sarvanga Pushti. Change your hand. Breathe in, come up. Left side. Go down slowly. In your hand. Breathe in and come up. Back. Right side. Down. Keep your watch on your breath. When you go down, breathe in, and when you come up, breathe in, and relax. Come back, come back, relax. Sarvanga Pushti Vyayam, Sukshma Vyayam. I'm Dhirendra Brahmachari. Now we'll go for 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar, stretching and warm up for the body. Come to the front part of your mat, 2 rounds of Surya Namaskar, sun salutation. Take your position, Vyayatmak Namaskar, steady prayer pose. Number 2, Ardha Chandrasana, half moon pose. 3, Pada Hastasana, hands to feet pose. 4, left foot back, left knee on the ground, gaze in front. 5, plank pose, whole body in a line, slant height from heel to shoulder. Number 6, Astanga Namaskar, 8 inch pose. Number 7, Cobra pose. Number 8, mountain pose. Number 9, left foot forward, right knee on the ground, gaze in front. Number 10, Pada Hastasana. Number 11, half move. And number 12, Namaste. This is half round of Surya Namaskar. We'll have balance half, little faster, with awareness of breath. Normal breath. This is number 1. 2, breathe in. 3, breathe out. 4, right foot back, breathe in. 5, breathe out. 6, normal breath. Forehead, chest, knee on the ground. Number 7, Cobra pose, breathe in. Number 8, breathe out. 9, breathe in. 10, breathe out. 11, breathe in. And normal breath. 1 round is completed. Now 1 more round, little faster. This time I will count only the number. Take your position. Number 1, 2, 3, 4, left feet, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 2, 3, 4, right feet, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Namaste. Still sleeping part. Sit down, relax. Shavasana. Shavasana in last. Not now. We have just started. Settle down your breath. Have some normal breath. Sit in Padmasana. You can close your eyes for a few seconds. Just watch your breath. Have some normal breath. Settle down your breath. And we'll go for the next asana. Ready? Nobody sit. Okay. Next asana we'll have in Padmasana only. Utthit Padmasana or Padmatolasana. We have to raise our body, whole body on both of the palms. Keep your both the palms just beside your body. Breathe out. Take a breath and raise your body. Stay there. Stay there. Have normal breath. Okay, come back. Come back. We'll have one more round. One more round. Utthit Padmasana or Padmatolasana. Okay, get ready. Get ready. Both the hands beside your body. Breathe out first. Take a breath and raise your body. Yes, everybody is doing very good. Utthit Padmasana. Strengthen your thighs muscles and shoulder muscles. Okay. Next asana. We'll go for Padma Padmasana. You have to hold your big toes by both the hands. Very easy. Right? Not like that. Padma Padmasana. Left toes by right hand and right toes by left hand. Not like this. From back side. Hold your left toes by your right hand and right toes by your left hand. This is the final position. Close your eyes and stay there. Padma Padmasana. One of the meditative poses. Stay there. Try to touch your knees on the ground. Okay, come back slowly, slowly, slowly. Reverse. We'll go for the next asana. One more round of this. No? One more round of the same. One more round. One more round. Okay. Get ready. Breathe out. Breathe in. And hold your one toes. The left toes by right hand. Right toes by your left hand. Stay there. Stay there. Have normal. Very good, Sastra. Photo it will come like Padma Padmasana. Very good. Okay. Come back slowly, 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 and relax. We'll go for the next asana. Sarvanga Asana. Sarva Anga Asana. Sarva means all. Anga means body part. Like you already know, right? From Sarvanga Pushti. Sarva Anga Asana. Shoulder stand. Shoulder stand. Lie down on your back. Lie down on your back. Both the feet together. Both the hands side your body. Ankles stretched. Eyes open. Normal breath. Get ready. Breathe out. Take a breath and raise your both the feet up to 45 degrees. Only 45 degrees. This is number 1. 2, 90 degrees. 3, Ardhahalasana. Number 4, Purna Sarvangasana. This is the final posture. Number 5, Padma Sarvangasana. Number 6, Pankhasana. Number 7, again Padma Sarvangasana. Number 8, again Sarvangasana. Number 9, left feet back, Ekapada Sarvangasana. Number 10, Sarvangasana. Number 11, right feet back. Number 12, Sarvangasana. Number 13, Halasana. Number 13, Karnapidasana. 15, Halasana. And number 16, come back slowly, slowly, slowly. Reverse manner. And relax. Have some normal breaths. They are relaxing only or they did? Okay, good. Sarvangasana. Okay, sit up. Sit up. Go for next asana now. Matsyasana. Matsyasana. Fish posture. Fish posture. Once again, you lie down on your back. Lie down on your back and make Padmasana in that. With the help of both the hands, push back your head and touch your crown on the ground. Top of the head on the ground. Hold your both the toes by both the hands. Elbows on the ground. Raise your spine, your chest, your stomach as much as you can. This is the fish posture, final posture. Complementary asana for Sarvangasana. Stay there. Have normal breath. Final posture, you can close your eyes and stay there. Hold. Hold. Okay, come back slowly. 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 Relax. Relax. Back in relaxation. Have some normal breath. And take a left turn and sit up. Which asana we did now? Very good. Okay, you are master now. Matsyasana. Okay, next asana. You go for Supta Vajrasana. Sit in Vajrasana first. Sit in Vajrasana. Now slowly, with the help of your hand, go down and sleep. Sleep. Supta Vajrasana. Keep your both the hands on your thighs and relax your body. Feel the pain. Enjoy the pain. Feel Sukhamasana. Do not try too hard. Do not try too hard. Go according to your body allowing. Okay, come back slowly. Slowly, with the help of your hand and elbows. Come back, and relax. Relax. Okay, next asana. Next asana will go for Bakasana. Bakasana. Pain pose, the crow pose. Bakasana. Headstand. Headstand. Take your position. Take your position like this. You have to stand on both the palms. Knees up on the upper elbows. Knees on the upper elbows. Balance your body and raise your feet. Yes. Stay there. Have normal breath. Okay, come back. Come back. Come back. We'll have one more round. One more round. Bakasana. One more round. Get ready. Take your position. Hold the pose. Stay there. Have normal breath. Okay, come back. Come back. Come back. Next asana. Go for next asana. Chatak asana. Chatak asana. One of the bird named Chatak will go in Chatak asana. Stretch your one feet, say right feet. Sit on your left feet. Keep your right feet straight. Put the hands on your knees, left knee. Breathe out. Take a breath and raise your hands. Take it back. Head upward. Look up and stay. This is the final position. Tathasana. Okay, come back. Very good backward bending asana. And feel relaxation at your spine. Isn't it? Okay. Some other side. Some other side. The same asana. Same asana. Some other side. Stretch your left feet. Keep your hand on the right feet, right knee. Breathe out. Slowly raise your hand. Breathe in and raise your hand. Stay there. Keep your eyes open. Okay, come back. And relax. You want some relaxation? Okay. Wait for a minute. Have some normal breath. Then we'll go for the next asana. Okay. Ready? Mayurasana. Mayurasana. Peacock pose. Mayurasana. Take your position. Take your position like this. Elbows on the stomach and raise your body on your both the hands, both the palms. Stay there. Have normal breath. One more round. One more round. Get ready. Take your position. Fix your elbows properly in the stomach. Then only you can raise your body. Breathe out. Take your position. Then breathe in and raise your feet. Well done, Mr. Rama. Okay, next. Next, we'll go for Raj Kapotasana. Raj Kapotasana. Sit again like Chatakasana. Sit like Chatakasana. Right feet stretch. Sit on your left feet. Bend your right feet this time. Bend your right feet. Left hand from the top and hold it. Very good. Very good. Try to touch your head on your feet. Elbows upward. Left elbow upward. Raj Kapotasana. Okay, come back. Come back. Back. From opposite side. The same asana from opposite side. This time sit on your right feet. Left feet stretch. Bend your left feet. Right hand from the top. Right elbows upward. Stay. Have normal breath. Okay, come back. Come back slowly. Slowly. And relax. Now Savasana. Wait. 4 bird posture we did now. One more bird posture. One more bird posture. That is Pakshasana. Pakshi means bird. Now bird posture. Once again. This time stretch your both the feet. Pakshasana. Get ready for Pakshasana. Raise your any one of your feet, right or left feet, and keep it on your shoulder from back side. Then stand on your left feet. Pakshasana. Stay there. Have normal breath. And slowly come down. All of you done very well. Okay. Okay. We go ahead after Pakshasana, Samadharasana. We'll have Ekapada, Paschimottanasana. Again, stretch your feet, both the feet in front. Take your one feet, say left feet, your right thigh. Hold your toes by your left hand. Right hand, right toes. Slowly breathe out and go forward. Keep your forehead on the knee, elbows on the ground. Very good. Stay there. Come back, come back, come back. And relax. From other side. Other side. Hold your toes. Back side. Left hand on your left feet. Slowly breathe out and go forward. Keep your forehead on the knee. Elbows on the ground. Stay there. Normal breath. Exhale. Slowly. And relax. Have some normal breath. Then we'll go for the next. Right? Feeling tired? You know. Okay, next asana will go for a series of Ekapada Kangarasana. Once again, we'll keep one feet on the shoulder from back side. Then we'll have a series of asanas, some asanas. Okay? Ready? Stretch your feet. Breathe out. Take a breath. And keep your one feet below the shoulder. Yeah, very good, Satra. Well tried. Take your position. Now, raise your body. Raise your body. Yeah. Now, Paschimottanasana. Lodasana. Lodasana. Take your rest. Take your rest. Back, come back, and relax. Allow your breath. Then we'll go for next asana. Have some normal breath. Only one more asana and then shavasana. Don't worry. Only one more asana and then go for Shavasana, the favorite portion. Okay? Let's go for Sri Krishnasana. Sri Krishnasana. Come in this pose. Ready? Okay. Change your position. You tried or not? You want to try once again? We'll have once again. Yeah. Once again. The same asana. Come once again. And then Shavasana after the relaxation. Don't worry. One more pose. One more time. The same asana. Breathe out first. Take a breath. Slowly. Again breathe out and go down. Yes. Okay. Come back. Come back slowly. And relax. Go in Shavasana. Lie down. Lie down in Shavasana. Lie down in Savasana. Relax your body. After Surya Namaskar, after advanced posture, your body is getting tired. Relax your body in Shavasana. Keep your feet comfortably apart. Your hands comfortably apart from your body. Half face off. Settle down your breath. Feel your breath. It will a little faster than normal. Make sure your lower back is on the ground. Adjust your body. And keep your lower back on the ground properly. Body is getting relaxed. Big toes outward. Hands away from the body. Shavasana. Dead body push. Feel relaxation. Feel relaxation throughout your body. Your feet, toes, so both the ankles, both the calves, both the hip, both the knee joint, both the thighs, waist, lower stomach, pelvic region, navel region, spinal cord. Whole back is getting relaxed. Chest, shoulder, both arms, both elbows, the wrist, palm, all the fingers, neck, throat, back of the neck, face, forehead, head, top of the head, back of the head, entire body. The whole body is getting relaxed. Shavasana, lying on the floor. You can see your body is lying on the floor. You are different. Body is different. Sthana Shavasana. Shayanam Tacchavasanam. Shavasanam Shantihara. Chitta Vishrantikara. Shavasana. Proper rest, proper relaxation to whole body as well as mind. Now slowly become aware of yourself, surroundings, your breath. Move your finger a little, move your fingers a little. Stretch your body, stretch your body. Keep your eyes closed. Turn your body to the left side. And with the help of right palm, sit up. Now open your eyes slowly and gently. Now feeling relaxed? Savasana. You have two pranayams and then meditation, a short session of come in Padmasana if you can. When you perform Padmasana, the root block is automatically performed. That is why Padmasana is recommended for pranayama, especially for pranayama. You have Anulom Vilom Pranayama, Surya Vedana Pranayama. First Anulom Vilom Pranayama without Kumbhak. Left hand in Jnana Mudra, right hand Nasikagra Mudra. Eyes closed, body straight, spine erected, shoulder relaxed. Breathe out by both the nostrils. Close your right nostril and inhale from the left. Deeply inhale. Close your left and exhale it out slowly by right nostril. Inhale from the same right nostril. Close your right. Exhale it out slowly by the left. Inhale by left. Close your left. Exhale it out slowly by the right. Have 3 to 5 rounds at least. Inhale deeply. Exhale completely. The breath should be so steady, controlled manner. Adi Shodhana Pranayama. Nerves purification pranayama. energizes principal channel of energy in the body. Balances three doshas in the body. Vata, Pitta, Kapha. Keeps in balance both all the three doshas. Slowly exhale from the left and take back your hands on the knee. Slowly exhale by the left nostril. Take back your hands on the knee and relax. Relax. Now one more pranayam today, Surya Bhedan pranayam. For tomorrow's session is pranayama, breathing techniques. Tomorrow we'll have detailed pranayam session. Today we'll have one more pranayam, Surya Bhedan. Surya Bhedan. Surya is our right nose. We will inhale from the right and exhale it out from the left. But before that, we'll go in bandhas also. We'll have chill lock. After inhalation, we'll hold our breath for 10 seconds with chin lock. Chin lock means our chin will touch into the cavity or throat. We'll hold inside our breath for 10 seconds. I'll count the breath. After 10 seconds, we'll release chin lock and exhale it out from the left side. Inhalation from the right side, exhalation from the left side. Our right side is heat oriented, Surya. That is why the name is Surya Bhedan Pranayam. Generates heat in the body. This pranayam is especially beneficial these days when we need to improve our lungs capacity, keep our body warm. Get ready. Keep your body straight, neck straight, eyes closed. Just follow my instruction. Breathe out by both the nostrils. Close your left and inhale slowly by the right nostril. Out. Take back your hands on the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove your chin lock. Close your right nostril. Exhale it out slowly by the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carry on. Carry on your breathe out. Take back your hands on the knee and relax. Slowly come to your normal breath. One more round. One more round of the same pranayam, Surya Bhedan pranayam. Very beneficial pranayam. One more round of the same. Take your position. Left hand Jnana Mudra. Right hand Nasikagra Mudra. Body straight. Neck straight. Eyes closed. Breathe out by both the nostrils. Close your left one and inhale deeply by the right. Chin lock. Hands on the knee. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Remove your chin lock. Close your right nostril. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Carry on your breathe out. Take your hands back on the knee. Slowly breathe out, complete breathe out. Then you come to the normal breath. Keep your eyes closed. Have meditation. will practice meditation. Relax your body, eyes closed, comfortably. Any posture, any meditative posture is okay. Just keep your gentle straightness in your spine. Eyes closed. Relax your body. Relax your body. Imagine your body is totally relaxed. All the parts of your body, all the joints in your body, all the tissues, all the glands are in relaxed mode. Totally relaxed. 100% relaxed. Imagine you are sitting on the bank of still lake, cross-legged on the bank of still lake. Water perfectly still. There is no movement at all. See it clearly. You are sitting cross-legged on the bank of a still lake. You gaze perfectly still water. Your mind is so still, same like water, perfectly still. There is no movement, there is no thought. Allow perfectly still water, the mirror of your mind. Allow perfectly still water to reflect in the mirror of your mind. Your mind becomes the embodiment of water. Your mind, embodiment of perfectly still water. And this state for 2 seconds, remain in this state for 2 seconds. Enjoy your meditation. Anurate. There is no need of thought. You are able to see that is still water. That water reflected in your mind as well. Your mind perfectly still water. Oneness. Oneness with the water. Perfectly still water. And your mind. Slowly become aware of yourself, your body, your breath. Move your fingers rigid, fingers on your feet, your hand, and rub your both the palms. Rub your both the palms forcefully and keep on your right. Keep your both the warm palm on your right. Once again, rub your both the palms. This time massage your face, nose, your ear, your mouth. Massage your face. Once again, rub your both the palms. This time, dissolve the energy to all over your body, your head, face, neck, chest, stomach, thigh, knees, calf muscles, feet, back, shoulder, work in your body. And relax. Relax. Now open your eyes slowly and gently and relax your body. Relax your feet. That is all for today's session. I hope you enjoyed the advanced postures. Tomorrow we have an important session, pranayama, breathing techniques. So pranayama is very important for the body. So see you tomorrow. Till then, goodbye. Thank you. Thank you all of you.
Okay.